Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the dashboard of Flying Builder. So my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome all of you on my channel. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. So first I want to tell you that this is a software which help people to make their own website without any knowledge of coding or technical knowledge guys. So if you are interested in this software or want to make your own website, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end because I have lots of premium bonuses for you guys, and today I'm giving those my premium bonuses for free of cost. Those people who are going to buy this software with my link which is given in the description guys. So first I want to show you my bonuses, then we come back to the dashboard of the software. Okay guys, so when you click the link which is given in the description, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see, it looks like that, my insane bonus bundle. So when you scroll down, you can see here is the image of the software which is Flying Builder. So and some information was given about the software. You can also read this, and here are also mention of the prices, but we talk later about the prices guys. So when you scroll more, here you can see there are given some key benefits of the software, and I'm going to read this for you guys. So the first key benefit of the Flying Builder is guys, super quick website design and development. With this software you can make your website with super quick and easily guys. And the second benefit was download your design page in HTML format. When you make your website with this software, you can download it in the HTML format guys. And the third one is build the website pages independently. So guys, as I told you that with this software you do not need any guidance to make your website. You can easily make your website with your own. And the another one is guys, drag and drop. So guys, with this software you can only you have to do to make your website only drag and drop guys. And the another one is guys, no coding needed. As I told you that to run this software you do not need any coding knowledge guys. And the other one is responsive and mobile optimized pages. With this software you can also make mobile optimized pages guys. And the last one is 30-day money back guarantee. If you think that this software does not work for you, then you can refund this software and get your money back within the 30 days from the day you purchase this software guys. So guys, this is the key benefits of the software. So when you scroll more, here is a demo video of the software. You can also watch this guys. And when you scroll more, now it's time to know about my premium bonuses. And today I'm giving to you this bonuses free of cost guys. So my first bonus is how to write headlines that sell, and its value is $349 guys. So guys, this bonus will help you to learn the skill how you can write catchy headlines that help you to sell your products easily. And the second bonus is guys, which is intro to affiliate marketing, and its value is $699. So guys, in today's digital world we all know that affiliate marketing is booming. So if you do not have any knowledge about affiliate marketing, then this bonus will help you a lot guys. So guys, third bonus is of mine is $100 per day with free traffic, and its value is guys $997. So guys, this bonus will help you to make your first $100 as fast as you can guys. And the another fourth bonus is guys, which is crazy traffic explosion, and its value is $599. As we know that this software Flying Builder will help you to make your website, and this bonus will guys help you to drive huge traffic to your website, guys. So I think this bonus will help you a lot, guys. So my last bonus is fifth, which is special bonus, and its value is $2,997. So guys, this bonus will provide by the vendor. I am also going to show you the bonuses which was given by the vendor, guys. So guys, as you can see, here are the bonuses. When you buy this software, you are going to also getting these bonuses free of cost, which was given by the vendors, guys. You can see all these bonuses. I get to read for you guys. First one is SEO Sergeant, and second one is Eastern Graphics, and third one is, guys, Marketing Color Generator. And there are lots of bonuses vendor is providing you, guys. So don't forget, I think there are total is providing 36 bonuses, and also mine, I'm giving you guys 4 premium bonuses for free. If you like this software, then buy this software with my link, which is given in the description. So when you click the link, you come here on my bonus page. You have to do only one thing, that you have to click one of these yellow buttons. When you click the yellow button, you come here on the sales page of this software. Yes, guys, you can see the sales page, and you can do only one thing here. You can click the button that is click here to get started now, and you have to pay the amount for this software, and the software is yours, guys. So guys, it's time to know about the Flying Builder. So we jump to the dashboard of this software. So guys, here you can see the dashboard. First option is that dashboard. Here you can see how many websites you can make, and the other one is, guys, design. Here you can see your saved design, and also you can create new designs. And the third option is, guys, FAQs, and the another one is, guys, training. Here you can learn how you can run this software, or how you can make your own website with this software, guys. And the another one is, guys, bonus. As we earlier I told you the vendors bonuses, all these bonuses you are getting from here, guys. And the last one is support. If you have any query about this software, that then you can also connect to the vendor, and it helps you to run this software, guys. So guys, now it's time to know about the prices of this software. And you can see the here are the prices. So front end price of this Flying Builder is $12, and the audio one, which is Flying Builder Unlimited, it is for $47. And the another one is audio 2, which is Flying Builder Done For You, guys, and it is for $37. And the last one is, guys, audio 3 Flying Builder Pro, it is for $27, guys. So I think, guys, I told you enough about this software. So if you are interested in this software or want to buy this software, and also don't forget my bonuses, guys, which was I shown you. These all premium bonuses I'm going to give you for free of cost, guys. Just you have to do only one thing, that you have to buy this software with my link, guys, and it is given in the description. So now you are thinking, guys, that how you can get these bonuses. So you have to, when you buy this software, you have to go to your purchase history and select the name of this software, which is Flying Builder, and the interface comes like that. You can see here is a button which is Access Affiliate Bonus. When you click this button, you can directly download my all bonuses, guys, for free of cost. Okay, guys, if you like this video and this video helps you, then please like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.